Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot for managing marketing leads in USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize HubSpot for managing marketing leads in the USA, start by visiting the HubSpot website. Log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by signing up with your email address. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the settings icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, find the integrations tab on the left sidebar. Click on integrations to view available integration options. Scroll down to the API key section to access or generate your API key. If an API key already exists, copy it for later use. If an API key does not exist, click on Create API Key. Label your API key for future reference and click Generate. Next, navigate to the marketing tool you wish to integrate with HubSpot. Follow the specific integration instructions provided for that marketing tool. In most cases, you will need to log in using your HubSpot account credentials. Enter the API key when prompted during the integration setup. Complete any additional setup steps required by the marketing tool. After completing the setup, return to your HubSpot dashboard. Check the contacts section to ensure your leads are successfully syncing. Monitor the integration regularly to confirm everything is functioning properly. Adjust your lead management settings in HubSpot according to your marketing strategy. Make sure to familiarize yourself with HubSpot's marketing features for optimal use. Always refer to HubSpot's knowledge base for any updates or troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.